your girl Diana and welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time, if it's your first time, karibu sana. Please join the family by subscribing. So if you're an OG in this channel, you know that I love baking, and if I ever bake for you, just know that I love you so much, because baking is my form of expressing my love. Yeah, can say that. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make an orange cake. Orange cake was the cake that introduced me to baking, and it made me fall in love with baking. Yeah, so today I made this yummy orange cake. It's so simple, the recipe is so simple. The ingredients are things that you can find in your local shop, or in your, if you don't already have them in your kitchen. Yeah, so stick along. If you try this recipe, please come back to this video and comment down below how you found it. Yeah, otherwise see you in my next video. Bye. We'll start by grating the outer coating of the oranges, which is called the orange zest. I love these seedless oranges because they have a lot of juice, and they have no seeds, so makes my work easier, you get. You actually don't need a lot. You can use even 1 tablespoon. I love their taste, so I used around 2 tablespoons roughly. I eyeballed this one, I won't lie. But 1 tablespoon is good. Yeah. So out of the 2 oranges we grated, we are going to cut it into halves and squeeze out the orange juice. If you have the thing for squeezing oranges so that you can get more juice, even better. I didn't have any, so I just used my hands. My hands were cleaned, by the way. And also I forgot to say the oranges were well cleaned. Since you're using the outer coating, please make sure you wash your oranges well. Yeah, so the next part is simply you'll need 3 eggs. Beat them into a large bowl. So into the same bowl you'll add 2/3 of butter, and then mix it well. I love mixing mine till it's a little bit fluffy. Yeah. Into the same bowl you'll add 3/4 cups of sugar. You can do a 1/2 cup of sugar, but point to note is that sugar has a softening effect to your cake. Unless you want that dry bread like consistency on your cake, sugar will actually soften it. So I'd recommend doing the 3/4 cups, but you can also do 1/2 cup of sugar. We'll then add a tablespoon of vanilla essence / vanilla extract. This helps mask the smell of eggs if you are sensitive to the smell of eggs in your cake. And then the next thing we are going to add is 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This helps your cake be moist. You're going to add the orange zest, the ones you grated earlier. and the orange juice. These are vital because it's an orange cake. These are vital for the cake to actually taste like an orange cake. The next thing, you're going to sieve 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Sieving helps the cake be airy, and also it removes any large particles from the flour. You'll then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I love adding just a tiny bit of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate and a pinch of salt, you know, to add the oomph and the zest to my cakes. Another trick I learned is after you've added your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, first fold. You see what I'm doing? It's called folding. Fold your batter to avoid the flour splashing all over, especially if you are using a mixer, an electric hand mixer like I'm using. So first fold your batter, then go ahead with the hand mixer, your electric mixer, sorry. Also, it has come to my mind that 90% of you are watching me and have not subscribed. So please take a moment and go subscribe as I am mixing my batter. The next thing you're going to do is oil our tin, our baking tin. I didn't have any baking paper, so I oiled, then dusted it. This helps the batter, the cake not to stick on the tin. Yeah. In a preheated oven, you'll put your batter and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Yeah. "45 minutes later, this is my cake. I love how it turned out. I put it on a rack so that it can cool, because in the tin it could sweat and then crumble. Yeah, and this is the cake. Love it. Please try it and let me know how you find it.